The first interview was with my grandma. It is for the animation, but I was also doing research for my zine, Me, a Feminist Newbie. It has 2 pages that are about my grandma's life as a victim of the patriarchy.
嗰啲老年中心度啊，有人話去學寫字嘅，佢學寫字嘅，同埋咧就畫畫嘅。阿婆婆又走去喎，又走去學寫字，學毛筆字，畫山水畫。但係人哋個個都識畫嘅，個個都識字嘅，係阿婆婆一個唔識字嘅啫，一個唔識字嘅啫。不過我從來唔會怕自己唔識嗰樣嘢去拍，唔敢上堂噶，我一樣去。人哋笑我都唔驚佢哋嘅，我唔識我先去讀啫，識我唔需要讀。嗰老師讚我㗎，話我好㗎，肯定學個嘢啊。所以我學得而家啲字，而家嗰啲字咧，我識睇，我份報紙我識睇嘅，不過我唔識寫啫，我識睇嘅嚟㗎，一報紙識睇嘅，唔識寫咁樣咯。好啦，人嗰度咧，嗰度學院又招請學拉二胡喎，彈古箏喎，我又去咯喎，你婆又去喎。
係啊，你屋企又有打古箏㗎嘛？
係啦，所以拉二胡學咗輪，好多好即係話兩邊上嚟就好，即係樣樣都想去試下，知道嗰樣嘢係乜嘢嚟，但係唔精咯，學得唔叻咯，知道係嗰樣嘢啫，但係冇話好叻，冇話成隻歌仔拉你出嚟，我拉唔到嘅喎，嗰個古箏又彈唔到嘅喎，彈唔到成隻歌仔出嚟嘅喎，淨係知道咁樣去嘅啫。學嘢樣都係學到啲就唔學到好多咯。咁樣咯。
咁你會唔會覺得係因為你後生我就冇機會學，所以至咁？但係如果你
係啦，冇錯。如果後生我學嘢，我應該係才女嚟㗎，知唔知啊？
嗰個係啦，
有錢俾我讀書，我係才女嚟㗎。
係啊，
係啊。好啦，仲有咩問題？
咁你之前咪話嗰個咩？因為你屋企你係最大嗰個女，所以你唔結婚嘅話，你之後啲人都唔可以結婚咁樣。
係啦，所以咧，阿婆婆嗰年24歲咧，就當阿婆婆老姑婆啦，嗱聲叫我結婚啦，嗱聲搵個男仔俾我去結婚啦，咁樣啊。你阿公公咧睇咗2次咋，我見咗佢2次咋。你阿太太就同我揸咗紙去結咗婚啦，趕掂晒日子啊，叫我翻去結婚係咁樣嘅咋。你話係咪以前咧咁樣啊？
係咪？
我老姑婆咯喎，24歲老姑婆咯，唔嫁咯喎，佢搵個男仔俾我嫁咗佢喎，咁樣噶。
係咪好唔公平啊？而家諗翻。
係啊，咁又其實嗰陣時我可以唔翻去噶喎，唔翻去結婚都得噶喎。不過我又唔想個父母叫吩咐，即係做咗落嚟，應承咗人哋做嘅嘢，冇可能你自己唔做噶，咪自己又要守個承諾咯。父母做應承咗人哋做，你做乜嘢？你個女唔會翻去結婚，個父母好難做咯，應承咗人哋噶嘛，禮金要咗人哋噶咯，你個女有乜嚟要走鬼噶？唔得噶嘛。喂，就咁又走咗去結咗婚咯，就咁樣咯。
不過好啊，因為而家都冇呢啲習俗，所以就算女仔唔結婚都冇所謂咁樣。
冇所謂係啦，隨佢自己中意啦，認為環境好咪變咗去做嘢咯，冇乜所謂噶。以前唔係噶，啲女仔大啲唔得嘅，要到姑婆要拍你出去噶，一定要結婚噶咁噶嘛，所以咪咁咯。
但係而家我估都會有啲批評咯，即係如果女仔到一個年齡話，或者係30歲或者係40幾歲嗰陣唔結婚，就會俾人鬧嘅。都會有噶，咁大個仲唔結婚啊？咁啊都有人咁樣話嘅。不過唔緊要，自己諗住係點做就冇乜所謂嘅，自己做得啱就得噶啦，唔需要理人哋點講嘢啊。就咁啦。好啦，講到仲有咩啊？ After the interview, I have a new view on the effects of patriarchy, especially on Chinese culture. I'm mad at how it resisted my grandma's will to pursue education, and I'm glad that our society has changed it now. It's actually a surprise to me how woke my granny is, because not only is she aware of how unfair it was to her, but she still continues to learn even as an elder. I just love her energy. I wish to become someone like her when I get older. Moreover, I think how Chinese tradition and patriarchy linked together is interesting, so I'll explore more in my second scene.